Pumpkin spices, marshmallows. Pumpkin spices, marshmallows. Pumpkin spices, marshmallows.
Baker bees, gather close. It's time to bake some ghostly toast. Start with a sprinkle of Samantha, stirring with delight. She's casting spells that'll keep you up all night. Next I'm mixing magic from Almira, such a treat. Her power's in the dough, making it spooky sweet. Now a wink from Galinda for a touch of glitter. With Bellatrix's bite, it's bound to get bitter. And don't forget Dora, with all her flair, she adds sass to the batter floating through the air. Sugar and butter and flour, beware! What's inside? Everyone's asking, what's in this devilish affair? A nice cobwebs, chills, and a spooky surprise. Watch close, my baker bees like Rita Skeeter's eyes. You wanna know what's inside? It's more than just a sweet confection. It's magic brewed with witchy perfection. My whole heart's in here, in this cauldron brewing, with laughter and shrieks like the Sanderson sisters busy brewing. I've got sugar for the charm, butter for the twist, flour for the magic. Cersei gives it a wicked lift. But my baker bees, don't forget the scene. This kitchen's a haunted stage, and I'm your Halloween queen. What's inside? You ask with fright. It's spooky sweets made under the moon's cold light. Maleficent's touch adds dark swirlingness, while Madame Mim's brew gives it a deadly twist. It's tricks, it's treats with a witch's design. One taste of my cake and you'll feel divine. Oh, sugar and butter and flour so fine. What's inside? Oh, my baker bees, it's pure design. I'm mixing up potions with every bite, with the wink from hell, it's a wicked delight. My whole world's in here, in this cauldron bubbling, with flavor so fierce, you won't know what's troubling. So what's inside? It's a Halloween bash, with Samantha and Rita and magic to stash. Happy Halloween, my baker bees. We conjured up thrills and a spooktacular feast. Join the fun, let's have a scream, with ghostly delights and a wicked dream.